Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a very quick Amazon unboxing. I bought this for my dad as part of his gift for Father's Day, but I don't think you'll see it before Father's Day because I have a lot of other videos that are queued up that need to go out. But let's see what we have. You'll never guess this. So it doesn't look anything at all like the picture, unfortunately, on the ad. But these are Wingman Dragonfly clips. So these clips are to prevent deer and horseflies and mosquitoes from biting you. And you clip the clip to your hat, and the dragonfly is on a little wire, and it kind of bobs off the end of your hat. So this is called the Dragonfly Wingman. Now in the picture, this is a pure green dragonfly. I don't know if you could see it. And there's, oh, and here is another one. Here is a yellow one. So in the ad, it's yellow and blue like this. So they should have sent me two like this, but they sent me one that was green, which I don't like because this is how they're advertised, and this is what I thought I would get. So, and I got two of them so I could give one to my dad and one for me. So let's just open this package, because I thought it would be nice for me to have one at camp. I go to camp for 4 to 6 weeks every summer. And the bugs are bad out there. But not as bad in September as they are now. So these were two for $29.99, and I know that seems really expensive. That's Canadian money, so about $15 each. But to buy just one was $24, and it was $29.99 to get two, so I decided to get two. And I just have to decide which one I'll keep and which one I'll give my dad. And I don't want to open them up because I want my dad to have first choice. So I'll just give him one of these. And then I'll tell him they also come in other colors, and I'll let him pick which one he likes best. I like the yellow one better, but the green one is also cute. And dragonflies that I see are usually like blue and kind of like a dark gray brown. So to me that looks more like a dragonfly. I've never seen a green one like they're showing in here. And it says repels horse and deer fly, but I also heard that they're supposed to repel mosquitoes. So, yeah. And it's just like the French on the back, so I can't really tell you. But I'll just show you a close-up here if you want to take a look. See how it's clipped to the hat like that? So if any of you have tried these, let me know how you think it works. It says Canadian patent, so it was made in Canada. So I'm supporting a fellow Canadian, which is awesome. And yeah, I just have to decide which one to keep and which one to give my dad. Like, I'm tempted to give my dad this one because I like this one better, and to keep this one because I like it least. But my dad might like that one better, so they're both cute. Do you think the bugs will care? And maybe I can make my own dragonflies. Now that I've seen what it looks like, this will be really easy to make. I'm sure you could buy dragonflies at the Dollarama and just attach them to a wire. I'm not sure how they're attached on the bottom. And these clips you could buy anywhere. So I'm pretty sure these would be a lot easier to make than paying $15 each, you know? But anyway, that is it for this unboxing. I'll let you know how they work after I try to... well, actually, I can't talk. After I try them out, I'll let you know how they work. And, my dad said he wanted one, so I got him one. And this is just part of his gift. He's getting other things, too. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe and happy crafting. Bye, guys.